Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen if you're a regular. Today I'm going to be making water crackers. And water crackers are crackers made from water and butter or water and lard. Very simple crackers to make. All you need is a quarter cup of water. You need a pack of yeast. You need 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of flour, and you need some butter, about 4 tablespoons of butter. Hola mis amores, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy traigo una receta muy típica de Latinoamérica, una merienda, galletas de agua. Cuando no hay galletas, pues hay que hacerlas. Vamos a empezar. Ok, para los ingredientes necesitamos una taza de harina, 4 cucharadas de mantequilla, media cucharadita de sal, una cucharadita de azúcar, un sobre de levadura y 4 tazas de agua tibia. So we're going to start prepping our yeast. We're going to add 1 pack of yeast to a quarter cup of warm water. Ok, vamos a preparar nuestra levadura. Echamos un sobre de levadura rapidito en 4 tazas de agua tibia. Vamos a reposarla a 10 minutos hasta que crezca. Now we're going to cream our butter. And then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients into this bowl. Vamos a mezclar todos los ingredientes, la mantequilla, la harina, azúcar y sal. Y mezclar todos los ingredientes muy bien. Después 10 minutos, echa la levadura con la harina hasta que la harina está suave. So after we mix our dough together and it forms one solid mass, then we're going to take it out of the bowl and we're going to start to knead it. Once your dough forms into one solid mass, you want to remove your dough from the bowl and start to knead it for about 5 minutes. Una vez que tu masa forma una bola, entonces quítala del bowl y amasamos la harina hasta obtener una masa bien lisa. So now we're going to add a little oil over our dough so that it doesn't dry out. We're going to let it sit in a bowl, cover it up with saran wrap for 30 minutes. And you really don't need to do it longer than that because it's just crackers. It's not bread. So I'm adding a little, you can use any kind of oil. Just rub it over the dough and just let it sit there covered up so it won't dry out. Ok, le puse un poquito de aceite sobre la masa y vamos a dejar por 30 minutos más o menos. So it's been 30 minutes and the dough has risen. So now I'm going to flatten the dough and start rolling out my dough so I can form my crackers. Pasado 30 minutos y la masa ha crecido. Now we're going to add a little flour to our board and then we're going to start flattening out our dough with the rolling pin. Vamos a aplastar la masa con tus manos y entonces con el rodillo. So now you want to use a cup or a glass so that you can start cutting out the circles. Ahora quiere usar un vaso para formar los círculos y no tiene que ser perfecto. So now you want to put holes into the dough by using a fork. And the holes are so that the cookie could breathe, the cracker could breathe. Necesitas un tenedor para hacer unos huequitos. So you want to use parchment paper on a tray so that it doesn't stick. You really don't have to spray your tray if you don't want to. And you want to preheat your oven so you can bake these at 325 degrees for about 15 minutes. No more than that, because then they'll turn really dark. Vamos a poner las galletas en la bandeja. No necesita un spray o aceite. Hornear las galletas por 15 minutos más o menos a 350 grados. So my total cooking time was 20 minutes. And depending on your stove, you may have to cook it 20 minutes or you may have to cook it 15 minutes, depending on your stove. Con mi estufa, cocinado las galletas por 20 minutos, pero con la tuya quizás tenga que hacerlo menos, quizás 15 minutos. These crackers came out perfect, and the reason why I made these crackers today is because I ran out of crackers, and I needed some crackers to go with my guava and cream cheese. So that's the reason why I made them, and I love water crackers with guava and cream cheese. That's my all-time favorite snack. Hice galletas porque no había ninguna y quería galletas con guayaba y queso. I just want to show you how crunchy this cracker is. Can you hear it? Miren qué rica, crujiente y riquísima. It's really crunchy. Well, everyone, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Also on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.